The 5 best casinos in Las Vegas for beginners. Excalibur Hotel and Casino. This medieval-themed casino on the Las Vegas Strip is known for its friendly staff and lower table minimums, which can be more accommodating for beginners. This Strat Hotel, Casino and SkyPod, formerly known as the Stratosphere. This Strat offers a variety of gaming options and often has lower table minimums compared to some of the more upscale resorts on the Strip. It's also home to the tallest observation tower in the United States, providing breathtaking views of the city. New York Hotel and Casino. With its vibrant atmosphere and New York City-themed decor, this casino offers a fun and lively gaming experience. Beginners can find lower-stakes tables and a variety of games to try their luck. The LINQ Hotel and Casino. The LINQ is home to the LINQ Promenade, a lively outdoor shopping, dining, and entertainment district. The casino itself offers a youthful vibe and often features lower table minimums, making it a good choice for beginners. Circus Circus Hotel and Casino. This family-friendly resort offers a relaxed atmosphere and a wide range of gaming options. Beginners can find lower-stakes tables and take advantage of free gaming lessons offered by some casinos within the resort. Remember, regardless of where you choose to gamble, it's always a good idea to start with lower-stakes games and take your time learning the rules and strategies. Many casinos in Las Vegas offer free gaming lessons for beginners, so don't hesitate to take advantage of those opportunities. Additionally, always gamble responsibly and set a budget for yourself before you start playing.